you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get Telegram profile link as quick as possible. And for this, open your Telegram app, and after that we click on settings right in the bottom, then we click on edit, and right now we click on username. Then after this we need to give a profile a username, so let's say help me out. Is this one available? Now let's add guides behind it. Right now, if we click on this link opens a chat with you right here, you see that we can share this link with someone, but right now we can also click on copy link, and then right now we just copied the Telegram profile link and can send this to someone that we want to invite. So if you now click on done, we just created our own Telegram profile link, and now let's share that link. Alright, if this video helps you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.